In this video, we're going to make a super simple and free bird feeder along with a bird drinking device that you can easily set up in your backyard or garden. The best part is that it uses old plastic bottles, so it's not only great for the birds, but also a fun way to reuse materials you probably already have at home. It costs almost nothing, and anyone can do it with just a few basic tools. Start by grabbing 2 plastic bottles of roughly the same size. Make sure they're clean and dry, because birds prefer fresh, odor-free containers. Once they're ready, mark the center area of each bottle. Using a hot iron, carefully cut the bottles along the marked section. The goal is to create a nice, wide opening so the birds can easily reach the food and water inside. After cutting the openings, you'll need to make a few small holes around each bottle. These holes are for the rope or string that will hold the bottles in place. Try to space them evenly so the bottle hangs balanced and steady. Pass a strong rope or nylon string through the holes and tie it securely. You want the bottles to hang straight, otherwise the food might spill or the water bottle could tilt. Adjust the length of the rope depending on where you want to place your feeder. Once both bottles are ready, it's time to hang them. Look for a spot that's visible and safe, like a tree branch, a fence, or a wall hook in your garden. Make sure it's away from areas where predators might reach them. Now comes the fun part, filling the bottles. In one bottle, add bird feed. Wheat seeds work really well, but you can also use other grains depending on what birds visit your area. In the second bottle, pour in clean, fresh water. Make sure the water level is just right so birds can drink easily without spilling too much. Over time, you'll start to notice birds discovering your setup. They'll come to feed and drink regularly, and you'll get to enjoy watching them up close. What's great about this project is how simple and practical it is. You're providing something really helpful for the birds, adding a little life and energy to your garden, and at the same time, you're making use of materials that might otherwise be thrown away. It's a small thing, but it makes a big difference for local wildlife. And the best part? You can easily customize it. Use different seeds for different types of birds, or hang the bottles at varying heights to attract more visitors. It's a project that's not only enjoyable to make, but also rewarding to see in action.